It's opening day here, Cage Baseball League. Let's meet the players.
Peter Sternad. I played club baseball at University of Minnesota. Pitched a 6-inning, 1-run allowed game in the championship game. I'll try to hit today.
Nolan Meininger, Bainbridge High School.
Carl Gleason, Henry Foss, PSSBL.
Mike Leitner, Fountain Valley High School, CIF 85, Southern Section champs, and then the rest is history.
Woo-wee!
Sean Williams, Malley Terrace High School, class of 05. Let's go.
John Branhagen, Lane College, Eugene, Oregon.
Michio Koide, University of Nevada, Reno, club baseball team. Yeah.
Xavier May Blockham, Ballard High School.
Xavier plays next game, but he's such a nice guy that we decided we'd introduce him early. All right, let's play ball.
You have to play your best.
Chopper.
Terrible. Oh, that's a Brandhagen base hit, man.
Another one.
Knock. Got a boy. Sean got his third. 3 for 4. How you feel so far?
I'm feeling
3
good,
for
man.
4,
I'm feeling good. I'm trying to get one out today.
Trying to get one out?
Yeah.
There's a goodie for somebody who hits a bomb.
All right.
There's a bat. By the way,
Hey, sign me up.
there's a bat for someone who hits a bomb today. Yeah. Hey, bat for the guy who hits the first home run. Carl, how many hits did you get last game?
6, counting all of them.
Was that the best game you've had so far in the league?
Oh, yeah. Guys got to get signed up. If I can do it, anybody
Yeah.
can
Do
do
you have
it.
any eligibility left?
I got college eligibility
What's
left,
your
but
GPA, son?
I don't think I have
You
one.
talking any programs?
They don't want me.
I got one for you.
Come on, Randy.
Did you close your eyes? Why don't you close your eyes and try to do it?
Rolled him.
Oh, he's out. Hey, River Cat, there's no way. Bullshit. Let's get going.
boys.
Nice.
Oh, there we go.
Bud, how do you feel? You like the league?
I shouldn't have hit the weight room before I come down here, so
Hey, can you
a
start
little
it
weak.
over?
You got sore hits your first at bat.
Oh, 4? I wasn't counting. I thought it was 5.
5?
No, it's 4.
Unbelievable. Carl Gleason steps up to the plate.
Oh, yeah.
Lashes one right to shortstop.
Ah, rip me off.
Okay, at some point I'm also going to do a bucket pull on a Acuna Jr., Ronald Acuna Jr. signed helmet, a signed jersey. So you can put it in a frame and everything like that. But thank you for coming out. So we're going to go 5 innings and 6 innings. We try to get this in within an hour. You're going to get a shit ton of at-bats, bottom line. You get in and you get out. You get your hit, you put the ball in play, and then get out of there. We had, I don't know how many at-bats you guys got last game, but it was a lot of them. So I'm going to stop talking.
He's sweating.
Get in there, and get in there and have a good time. And again, thank you for coming out. Okay,
There it is. Extra bases. Whoa, 3. That's 3. That is 3. You better put him on third.
Yeah, really.
bottom of the 9th, bottom of the 5th, which is basically bottom of the 9th.
All right, let's get one in there.
Good job, buddy. And then Brandhagen steps up to the dish. Like the last guy you want up if you're the opponent.
There it is. Base hit. Let's go.
Is that it? Game over! Walk off now. Good job, buddy. The hero right there. The hero. All right. Hey, Brad. First at bat. Base knock. We had to set the table. Oh, what happened to you? Double. How'd that feel? Good?
Yeah.
Nice shot. Good job, boys. Did you get a run?
Not yet. Yeah.
Okay, all right. First till third.
Oh, boy!
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Hey, nice first RBI, bud. There we go. Good job.
What's the name of your team? Snuggers. Okay.
Very good. Just a little one. Just like the, Fly out. Looking for a walk-off. Well, not quite a walk-off, but may as well be.
I got
It's season 4 right here, baby. One more for
Get out!
we got 2, right?
We got 2 minutes.
It's gonna be a tie game, huh?
It'll be a tie if. Yeah. There we go. More late inning antics from you. You kept your team in it in extra innings, huh?
Feel good about
Shut
it.
up the middle.
Feel good about it.
You get the game ball. Couple of key knocks. The first game, second game, good work.
Yeah.
You made a little bit of adjustment there. Caught a good pitch. Good job. What do you
Yeah.
think?
Man, it was fun. Yeah, it felt good.
Got a sweep. Good job, gentlemen. Adams right here is with a sweep. Good job. Good work. Brad, you get game ball. Good job. Wait, I don't want that.
Wyatt Asbury. Used to play at the Galloway School in Atlanta, Georgia, and so grew up over there.
Sweet.
Hi, I'm Martin Fernandez. Last played for Bothell Cougars.
Howdy, Logan Richardson. Played at Abilene Cooper in Texas.
Kyle Fisher, Kylo Middle School.
Craig Bartholomew. Played at the Bush School.
Emory and the Smoky Aqua Sox.
Mike Leitner, 3 teams, and you can look them up on the PSSBL website. 100-hit season. Thank you.
Mitch Moquin, Bellingham Brewers.
30 hit season?
Steve Kono, Adirondack Mavericks.
There you go.
Kyle, don't go anywhere. Kyle, come here. Kyle. Good job.
Wyatt. Thank you.
Oh, sorry, Wyatt.
All
Of course,
good.
that's why you didn't come over here. Hey, good adjustment.
Yeah, thank you. I'm getting used to the timing still, so figured it out a little bit, but not that much. So we'll get our reps in.
Nice job.
I do it a lot.
Hey, Logan, you knocked it on. First run of the season.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Appreciate you.
All right. That's the leg. We're going to see you next year.
Next year.
I know there's some pop behind that.
Looking forward to it.
Good for you. Take care of yourself. Of the order. Steve Kono, top of the order, setting the table with a base knock on the end. What do you think?
Love this game.
Richardson, walk-off. Good job, buddy.
There you go, bud.
Got it. There you go, huh?
Jimmy at Central Washington.
Ooh, 2 schools. Chef Lozcano, Central Washington, and Shoreline. TC.
Tanner Murphy, Kenmore.
Curtis Lassman, Hazen.
Brennan Murphy, Kenmore.
Jonathan Diaz, where we're from.
Where you played? Last play.
Indio, California.
Beautiful.
Amir Edgman, Japan. Brennan Sheets, Colorado.
Keenan Legg, Tigard, Oregon.
He's eligible. He's got 2 years of eligibility. First of all, $150,000 you can tell me the lead guitar players right here. Okay. Okay, so I've got a number in my brain between 1 and... I almost said the number. He's lip reading, I can tell. Between 1 and 50, you had 5 hits, right? You had 5 hits, right? So you're going to guess the first 3.
I get to guess 3 numbers?
Yeah, and I should probably tell somebody what it is, but yeah.
Okay. 53.
No, he said what you wanted.
Too late. He guessed 53, 1 out of 50. You blew again, try again. You get a 1 out of 50.
Remember I told you 51 to 55 so that the rest of us have a chance?
Oh, yeah, it was
Yeah.
you.
You only said 53.
He said 0 to 50.
Alright, I'll do White Sox. 8, 16, and 24.
No. Okay. Was that 5? That was 5, right?
That was 3.
Yeah, so give me 2 more.
30, and 46.
No. Go.
24.
Go.
48.
Go.
17.
Go.
31.
Go.
33.
Go.
2.
What?
2.
No. Go.
32.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
He got 3 hits, and he just won a Ronald Acuna signed jersey. Outstanding.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
boy.
you. Thank you.
But we got 2 triples. That's not easily done. So Keenan Legg, congratulations, Keenan Legg. Nick Lane stepping. Whoa! Rocketed it. Again, a shot. Little knock. Here we go. We got a little rally going. Huh? No?
You're slow.
Down 4-0. So you got your, was that your first night again?
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
First one.
Got to make an adjustment.
No, ball is going a little bit slower, but we'll make the adjustments. 55 miles per hour. It's good, man. We'll make the adjustments.
I've got some raw dogs over there. It's like he's going to take home. Raw dogs.
Delonte Hutchins, Patuxent High School.
Sean Hampton, St. Ignatius High School.
Christopher Calfee, Linwood High School.
TJ Lingham, Interlake High School.
Powder?
Interlake High School.
Joe Sindel, Western Washington University Club Baseball.
Hey, where'd you play last? Your name?
Skagit Valley. My name's Andrew. Last name is Sank. First name Andrew, last name is Sank.
I love it. Where'd you play last? What's your name?
I played for the Rocky Rainiers and Luke Penny.
Love it. Okay. Take the double. Last game of the evening, Delonte stepping up. Whoa!
Take that one.
Whoa!
That's a masher too. That's a double.
Almost the same spot.